When you walk through a storm, hold your head up high, and don't be afraid of the dark. At the end of the storm, there's a golden sky, and the sweet silver song of a lark. Walk on through the wind, walk on through the rain, though your dreams be tossed and blown. Walk on, with hope in your heart, and you never walk alone. You never walk alone. Walk on, with hope in your heart, and you never walk alone. You never walk alone. How do I get through one night without you? If I had to live without you, what kind of life would that be? Oh, I need you in my arms, need you to hold. You're my world, my heart, my soul. If you ever leave, baby, you will take away everything good in my life. Oh, without you, there'll be no sun in my sky. There'll be no love in my life. There'll be no world left for me and I. Baby, I don't know what I'll do. I'd be lost if I lost you. If you ever leave, baby, you'll take away everything real in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know. How do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I live? If you ever leave, baby, you will take away everything, need you with me. Baby, don't you know that you are everything good in my life? And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know. How do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I live? How do I live without you, babe? Oh, yeah. Where do I begin to tell the story of how great a love can be? The sweet story that is older than the sea. The simple truth about the love she brings to me. Where do I start? With her first hello, she gave new meaning to this empty world of mine. There'll never be another love, another time. She came into my life and made the living fine. She fills my heart, she fills my heart with very special things, with angel song, with wild imaginings. She fills my soul with so much love that anywhere I go, I'm never lonely. With her on, who could be lonely? I reach for her long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I have no answers, but this much I can say. I know I'll need her till the stars all burn away, and she'll be there. Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells, schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters melt into springs. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. Moon river, wider than a mile, I'm crossing you in style someday. Oh, dream maker, your heartbreaker, wherever you're going, I'm going your way. Two drifters off to see the world, there's such a lot of world to see. We're after the same rainbow sand, waiting on the bend, my huckleberry friend, Moon River and me. Oh, dream maker, your heartbreaker, wherever you're going, I'm going your way. Two drifters off to see the world, there's such a lot of world to see. We are after the same rainbow sand, waiting on the bend, my huckleberry friend, Moon River and me. Somewhere, my love, there'll be songs to sing, although the snow covers the hope of spring. Somewhere a hill blossoms in green and gold, out there the dreams all that your heart to hold. Someday we'll meet again, my love, someday whenever the spring breaks through. You come to me out of the long ago, warm as the wind, soft as the kiss of snow. Lara, my own, think of me now and then, Godspeed, my love, till you are mine again. You come to me out of the long ago, warm as the wind, soft as the kiss of snow. Till then, my sweet, think of me now and then, Godspeed, my love, till you